The red panda, also known as the lesser panda or the red cat bear, is a small mammal native to the eastern Himalayas and southwestern China. Despite its name, the red panda is not closely related to the giant panda. The red panda is a small animal, roughly the size of a domestic cat. It has reddish-brown fur, a long, bushy tail, and distinctive white markings on its face. The red panda's diet consists mainly of bamboo, but it also eats fruits, insects, and small animals like birds and rodents. Red pandas are arboreal, spending most of their time in trees. They have sharp claws and a special adaptation on their wrist bones that allows them to grasp and manipulate objects with great dexterity. This helps them to gather food and build nests in trees. Despite their cute and cuddly appearance, red pandas are endangered. Their habitat is being destroyed by deforestation and human encroachment, and they are also hunted for their fur. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, lists the red panda as a vulnerable species, with fewer than 10,000 individuals remaining in the wild. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the red panda and its habitat. In some areas, local communities are working with conservation organizations to create protected areas and promote sustainable land use practices. Captive breeding programs are also being established to help increase the red panda's population. Red pandas are mainly solitary animals, except during the breeding season. Females give birth to 1 to 4 cubs, which they care for in a nest in a tree hollow. Red pandas have a very low metabolic rate, which means they don't need to eat as much as other mammals their size. This helps them to survive in areas where bamboo is scarce. They have a modified wrist bone called the radial sesamoid, which acts like a thumb and helps them to grip bamboo while they strip the leaves and bark. In addition to habitat loss and hunting, red pandas also face threats from climate change. As temperatures rise, the bamboo that they depend on may shift to higher elevations, making it more difficult for the red pandas to find enough food. There are 2 subspecies of red panda, the Chinese red panda, Ailuris fulgens steyani, and the Himalayan red panda, Ailuris fulgens fulgens. The Himalayan red panda has slightly longer fur and a slightly different skull shape. Red pandas are a symbol of the conservation movement, and are often featured in zoos and wildlife parks around the world. They are popular among visitors for their cute and playful behavior, and have been the subject of numerous documentaries and nature films. Red pandas have a very low body temperature, ranging from 36 to 38 degrees Celsius, which is closer to that of a reptile than a mammal. This allows them to conserve energy and survive in cold mountain habitats. Red pandas are excellent climbers, able to descend trees headfirst and rotate their ankles to climb down trunk surfaces. They are also skilled jumpers, able to leap up to 6 feet (1.8 meters) between trees. Red pandas are crepuscular, meaning they are most active at dawn and dusk. During the day, they will often rest in tree hollows or in the forks of branches. The red panda's scientific name, Ailuris fulgens, means shining cat. This refers to the red panda's reddish-brown fur, which can have a glossy or shining appearance. In addition to bamboo, red pandas also eat other plant material such as fruits, berries, and leaves. They will occasionally supplement their diet with insects, eggs, and small animals like mice and birds. Red pandas have a number of predators in the wild, including snow leopards, martens, and birds of prey. When threatened, they will stand on their hind legs and try to intimidate their attacker with their sharp claws and vocalizations. Red pandas are considered a keystone species in their habitat, helping to disperse seeds and promote the growth of bamboo forests. Their presence also supports a variety of other wildlife, including insects, birds, and small mammals. Red pandas have been known to live up to 14 years in captivity, but their lifespan in the wild is not well documented. It is thought to be shorter, due to the challenges they face in their mountainous habitat. The red panda's fur is not just a single color, but actually has a complex pattern of reddish-brown, white, and black. This helps to camouflage them in the dappled sunlight of their forest habitat. The red panda's front paws have 5 toes and an opposable thumb-like projection, which helps them to hold onto branches and manipulate objects. Their hind paws have 4 toes and a fleshy pad on the sole, which helps them to grip tree bark. The red panda's habitat is rapidly shrinking due to deforestation, as forests are cleared for timber, agriculture, and human settlement. It is estimated that there are only around 10,000 red pandas left in the wild, making them an endangered species. In addition to habitat loss, red pandas also face threats from hunting and poaching. They are sometimes hunted for their fur, as well as for use in traditional medicine. The red panda has been featured in a number of cultural and artistic works, including the children's book, The Curious Case of the Missing Red Panda, by Sally Palm Clayton, and the animated film, Kung Fu Panda, in which one of the main characters is a red panda named Master Shifu. There are a number of conservation efforts underway to help protect the red panda and its habitat, including the establishment of protected areas, reforestation initiatives, and community education programs. The red panda's fascinating world is still largely a mystery. Scientists are continuing to study these animals to learn more about their behavior, genetics, and ecology. With the help of conservation efforts and ongoing research, we can work towards ensuring a future for these adorable and endangered animals. Overall, the red panda is a unique and fascinating animal that plays an important role in its ecosystem. By raising awareness about the challenges facing this species and supporting conservation efforts, we can help to ensure that these adorable and endangered animals have a bright future.